Welcome to New Enterprise Stone and Lime located in Roaring Spring, Pennsylvania, a fifth-generation family-owned company. Known as a flagship, one of the first quarries of the company, at 1.3 million tons of stone were produced. Today, they produce an average of 1.1 million tons from the largest quarry in the company, with the third largest in production. There are a total of 50 quarries from Buffalo, New York to Martins Creek, Pennsylvania on the Delaware River.
On our tour, we noticed the roads all had makeshift walls. What are they for?
Regulated by the Mine Safety and Health Administration. So you see, like on all the roads we drive on, there's either like a wall of dirt and rocks, or up there, see all those big rocks along the edge of the quarry road? That legally has to be there.
The pit, as they call it, has expanded since 1950. But how did they break up the rock and haul it out? What is the process for blasting?
We drill 6-inch holes, 15 by 15 on pattern, use ammonium nitrate, electronically timed.
Once blasting is complete, the haul trucks will take the aggregate products including the limestone, dolomite, and transition stone to the crusher. How much can the crusher crush in an hour?
This is a 4265. That's what I said, it has ability to crush at about 1,200 tons per hour. Yeah. So we usually have 4 to 5 haul trucks on at all times out of the pit.
Another important process is ensuring the product is up to spec. Let's take a tour of quality control and see what it takes to obtain the necessary specs for PennDOT and the Turnpike, which are New Enterprise's biggest customers.
And then you see there's different sizes of material on each one of these screens then. What's in this pan, clean it to the bottom. You dump it in this scale here and you get a weight. You get that weight and then you just keep going up at each screen, accumulating weight. Then whenever you're done, you just divide your low number to your top number. It'll give you a percentage. And PennDOT has a spec that you got to meet for each one of these sizes.
Stone and Lime Quarry of Roaring Spring produced all the product for the I-99 expansion. The company provided the concrete sport risers that the seats attached to for several sports stadiums, including Beaver Stadium and State College, PNC Park in Pittsburgh, Lincoln Financial Field in Philadelphia, and People's Natural Gas Field in Altoona. The Buffalo Bills Stadium is being constructed with product from this company.